Oh well, it's cold. It's 14 degrees. Let's see what the final total was, even though it seems to be snowing a little bit right now. We finished up right at 7, at least on top of the car. Didn't snow a whole lot more after last time I measured. I'm gonna go measure some other places and see. Let's just try this in the grass and see. That says more closer to 7.5. I'm gonna walk down here to the road. There's cars moving and they're not really going real slow. Somebody walking. Luckily, a bunch of semi trucks use my driveway. That tends to smash the snow down when we have some. But the way it feels right now, it has smashed it down to a sheet of ice. I'm sure you can hear it crunching. Is that man up there walking? So yeah, there's cars out. I didn't expect there to be any out, but my car won't be getting out for a little while probably. And even though it's 14 degrees now and it's supposed to be 6 degrees tonight, it's supposed to be almost 50 tomorrow. So this will be a hog lot. I bet that man thinks I'm talking to myself. He'd kind of be right. Woo! I about put another crack in my hind end right then. I better walk in the snow instead of on the ice like something stupid. Or some kind of little critter has been through here. I don't know if I've told y'all or not, but there's a coyote that's been hanging out a lot here lately. He likes to sit over there in the field and watch me get groceries out of the car. I'm not too afraid of him or worried about him, but I know I better keep my eye on him too. He might grab me up. I think I will be building nothing out of this snow. It don't really want to pack. That stinks. So now I'm gonna go over here and start this bad boy up and start scooping snow because some of my friends in Tennessee didn't get any. And I'm gonna scoop it up and send it to them. This whole field I'm sending to Northeast Tennessee, since you all didn't get the snow you're supposed to. And I know you're heartbroken. What are you doing? Brought you some snow to eat. Actually, I don't think you're supposed to eat it. They say snow's nasty to eat. You get herpes or something. Huh?